Hi everyone, this is the weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, April 26th from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho. We've got mainly quiet weather for us today and really for the next several days. We do have a small chance for a shower or thunderstorm, mainly for the eastern third of Idaho here. As we get into Thursday, as a system off to our east drops a little bit farther south and we'll get kind of clipped by a little bit of that moisture. A lot of us will stay dry though. And then we continue then quieter weather through most of the rest of the week and into the weekend. See a bit of a warm-up headed our way too. Again, these warmer temperatures will continue to lead to more snowmelt and runoff and continue to bring with it the elevated flooding risk, until we get that snow melted. Satellite this morning, not a whole lot to see here. It's fairly quiet. Do have a few clouds that are going to be passing through today, but that is about it. It's very quiet, in fact, this morning on satellite. Our weather risk outlook grid, it's pretty quiet too. Again, mainly just a small chance for a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder as we get into Thursday for the eastern highlands and including areas like Island Park, Victor, Driggs, even a small chance in the Snake Plain area and near Soda, Montpelier, Preston. Again, most of us are going to stay pretty quiet weather-wise as we go through the next several days. And as such, not a whole lot to see on our watches and warnings page. Of course, we still do have the flood advisory for Franklin County that will be continuing as we go through the day today, again with the ongoing flooding concerns. Here's a look at our forecast map for today. Again, fairly quiet, high pressure in control. And it's going to stay pretty quiet, again, like I said, for most of the rest of the week and into the weekend, with just that small chance for a few showers as we get into Thursday. Temperatures today are going to be warm, most of us in the 50s to mid and even some upper 60s. So yes, we are going to continue to do some more snow melt as we go through the day today. But here's a little bit of a look-see comparison, if you will, of today versus the snow melt that will get going through tomorrow. So you'll notice as those temperatures warm up, we are going to see an increase in snowmelt. As you would expect, but you notice we do see a little bit more of that snowmelt happening through parts of the southeastern highlands and through some parts of the southern hills. But again, we're all going to see plenty of snowmelt as we go through the next foreseeable future, really, next several days as temperatures continue to warm. Speaking of those temperatures, as we get into Thursday, most of us will start off in the 30s and 40s in the morning and warm back into the 60s, some low 70s, and a few 50s farther north you go, where temperatures will be just a little bit cooler. As we get into Friday, very similar to Thursday, some of us will drop a couple of degrees with a little bit more cloud cover around, and again, that small chance for a few showers. But don't worry, we're going to warm things right back up as we get into the weekend as high pressure builds in. Really right on top of the area. We'll be stuck under that ridge at least through the weekend. That really helps boost our temperatures to the 60s, 70s, and even some 80s by the time we get to Sunday. So certainly going to be a warm weekend. Some of these highs that we've got forecast currently for Saturday and Sunday might even be a little bit on the conservative side. We may need to bump those up another couple of degrees as we get closer to the weekend itself. So, in summary, we generally have fairly quiet weather through the rest of this week and into the weekend. Small chance for a shower or a straight thunderstorm, mainly for the eastern third of Idaho here as we get into Thursday, as we kind of get clipped by that system off to our east. Those warmer temperatures ahead are going to continue leading to the elevated flooding risk, so we'll be keeping an eye on that too. And as per usual, if you have any reports of flooding, we always appreciate when you can pass those on to us. If you don't have any questions, comments, concerns about the forecast, you can always find us online on social media or give us a call or send us an email. And our website and social media are good ways to stay up to date on the latest forecast information. Have a good day.